Hey guys, I'm making this video because I could not resist myself from sharing this with you all. I had this amazing experience today. Today is 8th of August 2021, and I woke up in the morning with a little weird dream. It was a very uncomfortable, rather, dream. I literally was facing my deepest fear inside the dream, and luckily, I know that like when we just wake up after the dream, it was a venting dream, and I that's the reason why I was not very badly affected by it. Though it was, when you're dreaming, you're inside the dream, you don't really know it's a dream, you're living it until you're just about to die and you wake up, or it's getting too intense and you wake up. So I just got up and I used my own ways, to process through that energy that I had totally in my space at that point of time. And then I was wondering, what is it? And I actually literally started seeing double eight, and just double eight at various places, receiving calls from people, and that's the number, receiving OTPs, and that's the number. There is triple eights there, and lots of eights showing up. And I was actually wondering, what is it? And definitely, I was very happy that money is coming my way, and that is what the eight number a lot of time indicates. And I was still being in question about to my angels, to my universe, to show me what is it. And then some people started forwarding to me. I was searching for something else, and this came up, that double eight is a Lionsgate portal. It's a time of the year when once in a year a Lionsgate portal open up. And I'm not an astrologer. I am not someone who actually is deeper into, I'm not an expert in astrology yet. I definitely, deal with angels, numbers, and I perceive energy. If not for anything else, I am, I don't deny my awareness. I listen to my awareness. So that's what I did. And I just started reading into it, and I was so fascinated that I actually could join the dots, and could see that connecting the dots, I could actually realize that even last year, around the same time, I could see lots of lions happening, wherever I would go, I'll see a lion picture or a lion face or a lion painting. And I Googled about it. And even last year, I read about Lionsgate. And a year before that, I read about Lionsgate. And lion is my power animal. I'm even in the process of writing a book called Tame the Lion, which is about, though it is a different book, it's about, a guidebook for women to manage their husband at the same point of time. I am really, surprised with this beautiful energy. And then I have my own, community of people, angels on earth. And we had a meetup today, and I shared this experience with all of them. And we just ended up doing a beautiful, guided meditation, which I was totally, it was something that I didn't plan. I was just, letting that energy flow through me, whatever awarenesses I was getting. And it was really beautiful how these things work. Actually, I'm very fascinated. So I thought I would share with you before the day ends that that Lionsgate is probably something, I mean, I experienced magical shift in my energy. I literally felt as if something very deep rooted has been thrown out of my life, thrown away from my life. And I'm just ready to go to the next level, to just take a quantum leap of my life. And funny thing is, when I shared it with my people, in the meetup that we had, so many of them resonated with it, and so many of them also had dreams like that. So if you are somebody who's watching this, who's having a dream like that, or who had a dream like that before or around this time when you're watching this video, or you are experiencing something intense, uh, this could be because there is a huge shift coming up. I just felt like I would share this with you so that maybe this contributes to more and more people, and you don't have to be going to the overwhelm about your energies, about your emotion, and you can totally use it to your advantage. And yeah, if you would like me to share that guided meditation, though it is only for my close community, let me know in the comment box. And I will also share the link of my upcoming Angels on Earth program with you guys. If it is light for you, if you feel it's going to contribute to you, jump in, and maybe we may end up meeting sometime very, very soon. Okay. Have a great day and take care of yourself. Bye bye.